get to slowly watch me transform into a Visco girl.
Wait a second. Where's Marvel? Welcome to Wildcat TV.
Hi Wildcats, welcome back to a quick edition of Wildcat TV on Comcast 15. I'm Mariah Lawrence. To start this week's episode, let's see what our Teacher of the Month is up to.
Congratulations to Mr. Jones on being the August Teacher of the Month. We really wish we could have interviewed you. Keep up the good work. Signing off for Wildcat TV, I'm Kogan Davis.
Congratulations, Mr. Jones. Oh no, it's the Naval Academy.
Hey Wildcats, the Naval Academy is coming to visit, and we went to Miss Fry for more information.
Hi, I'm Miss Fry. I'm one of the counselors here at Blue Springs High School, and I want to tell you about an important upcoming event. So on Tuesday, September 24th at 1 o'clock, the U.S. Naval Academy will be here to talk with students about the opportunities that the Naval Academy provides. So the Naval Academy is a military academy, and when a student gets appointed there or accepted there, their college is completely paid for. And so after that, then they become an officer in the United States Navy or the United States Marine Corps. So this is for students who are interested in serving their country, belonging to a greater purpose, serving others, but then earning a college degree at the same time. The sophomores that are here, the juniors that are here, now is really the time to start planning and preparing for that. So if you are a sophomore or junior who's interested in doing more and leading our country in all ways, then I think it's important that you come on Tuesday.
If this is something that interests you, see Miss Fry for more information and attend the visit. I'm Kaylin Smith, signing out for Wildcat TV.
Are they gone? Okay, I think it's a good time for a commercial break.
Hey everybody, I'm Jared, the owner of Scout Coffee, and we're just excited to be open and serve Blue Springs community. We just want to let you know that teachers, we have a discount for you guys, and students as well when we have snow days or other school holidays that we'll be running specials for you guys to come in and hang out, and we'll even have summer deals going on as well. So we're excited to be here in Blue Springs, and we're excited to serve Blue Springs School District. And just like us on Facebook, Instagram, and keep up with what deals are going on for teachers and students as we go along. Our hours are Monday through Friday, 6 to 5, and Saturday, 7 to 4. So we hope to see you soon.
Scout Coffee.
Tanks, tees, polos, fleece, knits, sweats, hats, oh, and bags. Get all of this and much, much more only at Big Frog, where fun is always celebrated.
Welcome back. Now it's time for sports! Hey Wildcats, welcome back to a quick sports update. I'm Sydney Clark. 2 weeks ago, the boys football team fell short to Lee Summit North 21-31. The boys got off to a quick 7-0 lead thanks to Dominic Harkness' 56-yard touchdown in the first quarter. But Lee Summit North responded quickly. Quentin Fontenot ran an 80-yard touchdown to get the lead in the second quarter, but in the end, Lee Summit North came out on top. Make sure you come out to the game at South as they take on our crosstown rivals. The softball team also fell short last week to Lee Summit North in extra innings, with a homer in the first inning from Savannah Maynard and Presley Ziegenbein to give the Cats an early lead. But the Broncos came back in extra innings to win the game 7-8. The girls also beat Park Hill 6-5. Make sure you come out and support the girls as they take on South at home on Thursday. The boys soccer team was off to a very impressive start. Make sure you come out and support them as they take on Lee Summit North at home tonight at 6:30, and especially on Wednesday as they take on our crosstown rivals at South. Another impressive start is the girls volleyball team. They won against Ray Peck last Monday with a 10-point lead in the first set and a 7-point lead in the second set. They also beat Lee Summit North last Wednesday, upholding their undefeated title, but fell short to Lee Summit West on Thursday to a close game, making it their first loss of the season. Girls varsity golf beat Lee Summit in a match last week. Lauren Mueller earned the best score, shooting a 43, and Kinsey Peterman and Juliana Marshall both scored a 51. Great job, girls. And lastly, the boys swim and dive team had a great dual meet and went 3-0 with victories over Truman, Grain Valley, and William Crispin. Wish them luck as they compete at Mizzou this weekend. Congrats to all the sports team on a very impressive start. Make sure you come out and support all of them. Signing off for Wildcat TV, I'm Sydney Clark. Man, commercial break already? It seems like there was only one story in that segment.
Honey, what are you doing?
Watching a cow.
Oh, what's it doing?
Impressions.
The Egg White Grill, so you can bring on the day.
Hey Wildcats, Matt Mitchell down at Culver's. Time for another school year. Back to school we go, back to Culver's we go. Come on in for your favorite delicious Butterburger, frozen custard, all the awesome things you can't get anywhere else, sometimes like cheese curds. Oh, if you've never tried them. Little pieces of yellow and white cheddar cheese spreaded and fried. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry now. Are you guys hungry? Oh, come on in, see us. Our awesome friendly staff will be waiting for you. Come in, get your best delicious treat. Maybe it's frozen custard, you know, butterscotch and heath, or caramel, or strawberry banana, oh, whatever flavor you love. Come see us at Culver's. We're gonna make it just for you.
Welcome back. Get ready to show your school spirit this week for Community Unity Week. On to Ash with more information.
Hey Wildcats, it's Ash and it's Community Unity Week. This week, your teacher is going to be getting a bingo card of items you can donate. If you get a bingo, you'll be entered for a chance for a dessert party. And if you get a blackout, you get a pizza party. This is the biggest donation for Community Service League. It helps them for the whole year. Also, this week is a Spirit Week. Let's take a look at the themes. Be sure to donate this week and support the cause. Back to you in the studio.
Achoo! And oh no, it seems like Visco has taken over, but remember, it's a great day to be a Wildcat. Goodness gracious.
It's just like, hate his dad.